All right, everybody. Well, the first race is over. Mike and JJ, how'd it feel out there?
That was fun, man. We had a good time. The water's perfect. We had a Pro Marine 1-2 finish. I haven't ran this since last year. Came back, put it on the box, and we got some tuning to do. Actually go faster in the rough. I'm ready.
Well, it was pretty exciting. I actually enjoyed it. You had a great pit crew, JJ.
I did. That really made a difference.
I'm telling you, it was awesome. You had a lot of competition. There were 6 boats, and at the very end, it was just you and Micheal, head-to-head, a mano, the title on the line. First race, it feels good to have it done, doesn't it?
Well, what it is, it just proves that, you know, the design of the Pro Marine boat is one of the best. I can't say the best yet, but you know, we are national champion right now, and we're working on winter national champion this year.
That's fantastic. Now, how many more races do you have to go?
We've got 3 more heats in this class, and then he and I have 2 more other classes that we're running as well.
All right, fantastic. Well, we're looking for that checkered flag for both of you jabronis right here at the 2018 Winter National Championships. You guys have a great day. We'll see you in just a little bit. We're going to have some more racing going on. Hey, thank you, Studio Media Vision and It's Brett TV. We'll be right back right after this. Hello, I'm Brett Schulman, the SMV News right here in Melbourne, Florida at the 2018 Winter National Championships. I'm right here with Micheal, who is not only the designer, the builder, and one of the owners and racers, by the way, who just took 2nd place. Yes. Now tell us a little bit about some of your boats that you've designed and built.
Well, this was designed off my 368 skater that I have, our real boat. We just miniaturized it, moved the steps a little bit, changed the tunnel for compression ratio, so we have a great handling boat and a very fast boat. Then I wanted to build a V-bottom, so I went to Will Smith at Phantom Power Boats and go, hey, I like the look of your boat. Can I use it? And he's like, absolutely. So I went in with the drawings, had them built, and I presented him with this Mr. Technology boat, and he was blown away by the construction. Now, we won national championship last year after 3 years of chasing it, and you know, I got JJ on board with us, and we're just out here to show them that for a ready-to-run boat available in a hobby store, this is the boat to have. This could be the last boat that you buy.
And that is it. I saw it running, and it was absolutely amazing. You guys looked like you were having a lot of fun out there. And hey, thanks for joining everybody. And remember, SMV News right here, part of the network of Studio Media Vision. Thank you.
Committed. Good start. It's nice to skate around about 98 guys. Because you guys go in the front, don't forget it.